What I'm about to show you now inside the sewer module is also applicable to the stormwater module. I've set up the display settings so that we can see what the slope percentage is for this link, as well as the invert of this manhole. If I go and select my sewer module, select the link, right click and go to sewer operations, I'm going to go and specify a different slope and then lock this existing invert to show you what errors you might encounter when you specify too many fixed slopes and too many fixed inverts that may be contradicting each other. Specifying a slope here on 0.6%, then right click in, clearing the selection, selecting the node or manhole. Same thing here, right click, go to sewer operations, edit node data. Take note that the manhole condition for that particular node is soffit. I'm then going to select control again, and I'm going to fix the invert to what it already is. And then close that. Before I do the analysis, I only want to analyze this section. I go to graphical, mark everything upstream, replace the existing selected options, and then right click and quit. Looking at the analysis, we go to analysis network. Specify which parameters we want to use, and then I'm just going to analyze the marked portion. Due to fixing the slope and fixing the invert level here and specifying the node to be soffit, we get this warning. I am then given the option to go and specify a different slope to make our manhole condition soffits, but I don't in this case, so I'm going to go and select no to all. I can go and fix this by making this manhole a drop manhole. Again, I'm going to go and right click, go to sewer operations, go and select edit data, and go and specify manhole condition of drop. If I were to analyze again, you'll see that the warning disappears. No problems. However, what you might already been doing and you're not quite aware of it is if you go to edit design parameters, you may be specifying a minimum drop distance. And what this means is the manhole will only be treated as a drop manhole if the drop is equal to or greater than 100 mils. If not, it ignores the drop condition. So if I go back there, again you'll see that the warning appears. Same as before. So take note of that. It is something that our clients forget that they've set up. If I go back to those design parameters and I make that 0 again, it will clear the warning. However, another thing that you might be missing when you analyze the sewer network is setting the mainline conditions. Over here, set main branch manhole condition, and if I go and make that a soffit again, click on finish, even though I specified it to be a drop manhole, it overrides the drop condition and makes it a soffit again. So be sure when you set up your sewer network not to contradict your different conditions